In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a job at Lowe's. To do this, what you want to go and do is just open up a tab and search for Lowe's Careers. And from there, select Lowe's Careers Home. Then what you want to do is choose your career path, so corporate, stores, supply chain, or technology. For example, if you want to do stores, you can go and click on Explore Store Careers. Then here click Search, in this case store jobs. And then what you can do is set your state or province or city or whatever else you want to filter by, such as classification, employment type, job type, etc. And then from here you will see a bunch of available jobs. For example, if I go state and set it to, let's say, California, you can see that right here there are 101 jobs. So you can then find one that you want to apply for, such as a sales associate. And then from there you can read about the job and kind of see what it's all about. And then if you want to go and apply, you can click on apply now. And then basically this chat will open up and then it says, I can help you apply for this job. Can you please provide me your legal first and last name? So just go through that and answer all the questions. And then you will have applied for this job at Lowe's and they will reach out to you. So now you know how to apply for a Lowe's job. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.